What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's a brand new week. We are starting a brand new job, building another retaining wall. Just a small one. It's not a giant, huge one, which is nice because they're hard on the back, man. Those blocks are heavy. But this one, it's not so bad. It's just going to be a small little wall. But the first thing I got to do is I got to pick up a little excavator because my 3.5 ton is just too big for this area. It's too tight. It won't fit. So I'm gonna get this off the trailer. Then I gotta go pick up a little rental excavator, a little 1.5 ton. Then we can start digging and get started. Here's a little baby machine, Boda. It's got the fancy air conditioning in it, you know? Fresh air that's conditioned to be very hot. I like to call this machine the big shovel. Pretty much all it is, just a big shovel. Just found another snake. I don't think I've ever found so many snakes on job sites before.
Yeah, no.
It's kind of crazy. There we go. First time running the excavator. You gotta hit the red, push the red lever down. There you go. She wants to try and dig that hosta. There you go, and then just pull up. Curve the bucket in a bit more. You gotta curve the bucket, so I think it's this one here.
You want me to pull it?
Yeah, curve the bucket in. There you go. Can you get the machine a little closer? What? Is that enough?
Yeah, it's more complicated than I thought it would be. I don't want to fuck shit up.
Make it look way easy. Well, it's getting better. A little faster. Practice makes perfect, you know? Well, it is day 2. I was gone most of the day yesterday, but QJ seemed to have got a lot of it dug out, as you can see. Just gonna do this area right here. The neighbor wants me to dig these plants out and put them over there. Unfortunately, a few of the plants got squished. Only so much you can do when you're digging, right? It's a construction site, so try our best not to ruin the plants, but can only do so much. So I'm going to continue digging this out. We've been using this. It's a power wheelbarrow. Quite the gem, 4x4 sometimes. Putting the soil in this because we have a very narrow opening out there, as you can see. Can't fit anything big back here. So we've been using this to get all the soil and stuff out. And, oh hey.
What?
Hey. And then bringing it around here. I'm gonna have to move my truck to the trailer. Got some big rocks out, as you can see. So with that being said, it's time to get to work. Blocks delivered. All kinds of blocks. Walking off the road here. It's great. Construction's great. He's got himself some nice flowers. He almost lost that load. Look at that. She was sitting right on the edge. Didn't have time to get on camera, it was emergency. But it's coming along here. Getting her dug out. And we'll be ready to start laying some blocks. Wakey wakey. Always had little naps on his lunch. Well, we got a little bit done. I wasn't here to crack the whip yesterday though.
Wait, it's a whip!
And there's a lot of rain too. So how are you enjoying building the retaining wall so far?
I don't enjoy it one bit.
No?
It is what it is.
It's not that bad.
No,
No. This one's pretty small compared to the last one. You don't gotta carry the blocks down any giant hills. And you got this beauty of a rig here to help bring them up. Sleeping Beauty over there. It's coming along now. I think we should be able to get it done today. What do you think?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, yeah, I think so too.
Get this done
Yeah,
today?
yeah.
Now that Muzzy's here, we can probably...
That's true. Muzzy's the strong arm of the group.
Yeah.
Hardest worker here.
That's right. I had my COVID shot, so yesterday I was just hooped. Pretty much slept all day. It just put me on my ass. So, I wasn't here to give my expertise, you know? They got 3 blocks down in one day, and this is what we get done in half a day. With me being here. Yeah, that's how we do. Can we get a moment of silence for the pickaxe? Rest in peace, pickaxe. Rest in peace. Or in pieces. I mean, you know, it is broken. So it's kind of rest in pieces, right? This guy's having a nap. Well, we're making some progress on the retaining wall here. Pretty much done. Just got just putting the pipe in now for drainage. It's a little tricky with this one, trying to get it straight. If you look up there, kind of curves in a little bit, and that's because there's just so many step-ups on this retaining wall that it's hard to keep it straight when you're doing so many step-ups, because usually you use a string line, and when you're stepping it up, the string line changes a lot. I don't know, that's the easiest way to put it, I guess. Looks good, just has a little curve on it. So now we're going to backfill the retaining wall with 1 inch clear. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you're still watching at this point, you might as well subscribe. Peace.